Now let's look at the round-wise rules for Uttar Pradesh NEET UG counselling. So this round-wise rules is based on 2023 and the rules for this year is expected to change. Okay, so in last year there was round 1, round 2 and mop-up round followed by the stray round. So this year there might be a small change. It might be round 1, round 2, round 3 and then the stray round. Let's see how it goes. Because this is, since we are doing counselling support for MDS and also for PG, we know that there are some changes, and for MDS this has been notified. So let's look at round 1. So round 1 is conducted online. There is fresh application in round 1 and there is fresh choices, and in Uttar Pradesh, along with fresh choices, after you fill the choices, the choice locking is mandatory. If you don't lock your choices will not be considered. This is slightly different from the All India counselling, where even if you don't lock the choices will get automatically locked. Okay, so in Uttar Pradesh, choice locking is mandatory, and let's say after the choice filling, you're allotted a seat. If you don't join the seat, what happens? If you don't join the seat, your security deposit will be forfeited. And if you don't join the seat, are you eligible for the next round? Yes, you are eligible for the next round, but your security deposit will be forfeited. And in Uttar Pradesh, from round 1 to round 2, upgradation is possible, meaning after you join the round 1 seat, you will be able to apply for a better seat in round 2 and you will be able to upgrade to a better seat. And in round 1, resignation is possible. Yes, it is possible, and the resignation should be done within the given time as notified. And if you resign your seat, what will happen to the security deposit that you paid? So we saw that there was some security deposit that needs to be paid for government and private colleges. So that security deposit will be forfeited if you resign the seat. And next round eligibility after resignation, if you resign the seat in round 1, you will still be eligible for round 2. Now let's look at round 2. So round 2 is also conducted online. There is fresh application for round 2. If you miss registering for round 1, you can still apply in round 2. And in round 2, the choice filling is again fresh choice filling, but choice locking is mandatory. And what happens if you are allotted a seat and you don't join? Security deposit will be forfeited, same as round 1. And in round 2, if you don't join the seat, you will not be eligible for the mop-up round. This is as per the last year's rule. And upgradation from round 2 to mop-up is not possible. And in round 2, in the prospectus, they have given that resignation is not possible in round 2, but they have also given an additional clause saying that if you still resign, your security deposit and the entire tuition fees will be forfeited for government college. So for the government college, your security deposit will be forfeited and also your entire tuition fee will be forfeited. But if you get allotted in a private college and you join the seat, and if you resign the seat, only 50% tuition fee will be forfeited in private colleges. And if you resign the seat in round 2, you are not eligible for the mop-up round. Now let's look at the mop-up round. So mop-up round is conducted online, and in mop-up round, when registering for the round, all candidates, regardless of if you have attended round 1 or round 2, all candidates have to pay a registration fee of 1,000 rupees for the mop-up round, and you will be able to apply fresh in mop-up round. And in choice filling, there is again fresh choice filling in mop-up round, and choice filling is mandatory. And security deposit will be forfeited in case you are allotted a seat and you don't join the seat. And in mop-up round, if you don't join the seat, you are not eligible for the stray round. Upgradation is not possible from the mop-up round to the stray round. And in terms of resignation, similar to round 2, they have said that resignation is not possible, but if a candidate after the mop-up round or during the course, if they resign the seat, right, or if they discontinue the course, the entire tuition fee will be forfeited for government and private colleges. And in addition to this, for government colleges, 1 lakh penalty will be paid. Okay, candidate has to pay 1 lakh penalty if they are resigning the seat in a government college. Now let's look at the stray round. So candidates, if a candidate is allotted a seat in round 1, round 2 or a mop-up round, they are not eligible for stray round. So only candidates who are not allotted a seat at all will be eligible. And stray round is also conducted online, and there is fresh application for stray round. and choice filling is fresh and candidates have to log their choices. This is mandatory. And if you're allotted a seat in stay round and you don't join it, your security deposit will be forfeited. And also, in addition to this, you will not be eligible for further rounds. In addition to this, they've added a clause saying that there will be debarment for the next year. If you don't join the stay round seat, there will be debarment for next year. You won't be able to attend the NEET, UP NEET counselling. And upgradation is not possible in the stay round. So stay round to any other further rounds, it is not possible. And the resignation after the stay round is also not possible, similar to the mop-up round. But if you still discontinue the course, your entire fees will be forfeited for government and private colleges. And for government colleges, similar to the mop-up round, 1 lakh penalty has to be paid. And if you resign the seat in further rounds also, you will not be eligible. Hope you enjoyed this short video. To watch the full video on our website, the link is in the description.